Take a ride in the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, XM satellite radio, leather trim seats, traction control, remote engine start, heated seats, backup camera, cruise control, premium sound system, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.